Alright, this is Steve at STO N SHO. Today we're doing a fitment on a 2024 BMW 230i. This is a non-M Sport version. And also this vehicle does not have adaptive cruise or the camera in the lower center part of the grille. So we're going to be able to mount this one right in the center, right up underneath here. So I'm going to hand it off to Big Mike.
All right, thanks, Steve. Well, I'm gonna go and get it started here, and we're gonna start off by removing the two center screws right here. These are a 4.8 by probably 20. We're using they have a 10 millimeter head on them, so we're gonna go ahead and pop those out. We will not be reusing these. We're gonna provide you with ones that are a little bit longer, because you can see this rib here. We got to sit on top of it, so we need to use a spacer and a little longer screw. So we're going to go ahead and take those off and set them off to the side. And then we're going to grab, like I said, our other fasteners. So we're going to be using two 4.8 by 25 and two 1/4 inch spacers. So, alright, if I can find them. There we go. Alright, so there you go. So we're going to take our 4.2 by 25, stick it through the base plate. We're going to stick the spacer on top, and it's going to fill that gap right there, and then we're going to go ahead and start this side. Then we're going to go ahead and repeat and do it on the other side. Screw through the base, spacer on top, and start it up into the hole. Now these are going into a metal J-clip, so you can tighten these up pretty good, and we're going to be switching from our 10 millimeter socket to our 8 millimeter socket. So there we go. We're just going to get those started. And again, like I said, you can tighten those up pretty good, because they're going into a metal J-clip, so don't be afraid to put a good tighten on them. As you can see, that's pretty solid. The only give you have a little bit of flex in the body, but it's not bad. And then once we're all done with that, then we're going to go ahead and put our front plate on, start it into the tubes, pull the pull pin, get it by it, shove it till it clicks into place, and there you go. All set.
Yep, and like all our fitments, these are all vehicle specific, so this bracket will only fit this particular model. And here's an angle or from the front, and then you're going to take your license plate, attach it to the front plate, and you're done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10 millimeter socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.